Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Creating with Miss Kaye. In today's video, I am dedicating this to my daughter as well as her sorority sisters on their 1 year anniversary. They are the proud members of the Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, also known as AKA, which is the oldest Greek letter organization established for African American women. They were founded on January 15th, 1908, on the campus of Howard University in Washington, D.C. Howard University is the alma mater of our newly elected Vice President Kamala Harris, who also pledged AKA. I would like to congratulate each and every one of Jessica's sorority sisters, and I made a cute tablescape for you ladies. I hope you enjoy. And to my YouTube subscribers, I hope you enjoy this video. Have a great holiday. Be safe and be blessed.